Welcome back to our channel, where we explore the wonders of the natural world. Today we're diving deep into the fascinating process of how wood is made. You may have admired the beauty and strength of wood in furniture, buildings, and even art. But have you ever stopped to wonder how it all begins? Let's uncover the mystery together. Wood is a natural material that comes from trees and is used for a wide range of purposes. It is known for its strength, versatility, and beauty, making it a valuable resource that has been utilized by humans for centuries. But how does a simple tree transform into the complex material we know as wood? First, let's start at the beginning, the growth of trees. Trees are incredible living organisms that begin as tiny seeds and grow into majestic giants over time. They absorb nutrients from the soil, water from the earth, and sunlight from the sky to fuel their growth. As they grow, trees develop a trunk, branches, and leaves, each contributing to the overall structure of the tree. Within the trunk and branches of a tree lies the key to wood formation, the xylem and phloem. These are specialized tissues that transport water, nutrients, and sugars throughout the tree. The xylem is responsible for carrying water and minerals from the roots to the leaves, while the phloem transports sugars produced during photosynthesis from the leaves to other parts of the tree. Now let's zoom in even further to the cellular structure of wood. Wood is primarily composed of two types of cells, fibers and vessels. Fibers are long, thin cells that provide strength and support to the tree, while vessels are tubular cells that transport water and nutrients. These cells are arranged in a complex network that gives wood its unique properties. One of the most distinctive features of wood is its annual growth rings. Each year, a tree goes through cycles of growth and dormancy, resulting in the formation of a new layer of wood. These growth rings can be seen when a tree is cut cross-sectionally, with each ring representing a year of growth. The width of the rings can indicate the tree's age and the environmental conditions it experienced. There are many different types of wood, each with its own unique characteristics. Hardwood comes from deciduous trees like oak, maple, and cherry and is known for its strength and durability. Softwood, on the other hand, comes from coniferous trees like pine, spruce, and fir, and is often used for construction and woodworking due to its ease of cutting and shaping. The process of harvesting wood starts with the felling of trees. Once a tree is selected for harvest, it is cut down and removed from the forest. The tree is then transported to a sawmill where it is cut into smaller pieces called logs. These logs are then processed further to create lumber and other wood products. At the sawmill, logs are cut into boards, planks, and beams using sawing machines. These pieces of wood are then dried to remove excess moisture and prevent warping or cracking. Depending on the desired end product, the wood may undergo additional processing such as planing, sanding, or staining to achieve the desired finish. Wood is an incredibly versatile material that is used in a wide variety of applications. It is used in construction for framing, flooring, and siding, as well as in furniture making for tables, chairs, and cabinets. Wood is also used in art and crafts for sculptures, carving, and painting, highlighting its aesthetic appeal and creative potential. While wood is a valuable resource, it is important to consider its sustainability. Sustainable forestry practices involve replanting trees, protecting wildlife habitats, and conserving natural resources to ensure the long-term health of forests. By using wood responsibly and supporting sustainable forestry, we can continue to enjoy the benefits of this incredible material for generations to come. In conclusion, the process of how wood is made is a complex and fascinating journey that begins with the growth of trees and culminates in the creation of a durable and beautiful material. From the cellular structure of wood to the annual growth rings and the diverse types of wood available, there is much to learn and appreciate about this natural resource. By understanding and respecting the process of wood production, we can better appreciate the value of this incredible material in our daily lives. Thank you for joining us on this journey of discovery, and we look forward to exploring more wonders of the natural world with you in the future. Stay curious.